Hey guys, in this video we're talking about how to use my Verizon app. So once you set up the app, here's how to use it to manage your account easily. So guys, you can open the app and sign in with your Verizon credentials. This is necessary. The first screen you'll see is your dashboard, which shows you your current plan, usage and account balance. After that, to check your data usage, you can tap data or usage. You can also see how much data you've used this month and which devices are using the most. Then to pay your bill, you can tap on bill. You can view your current charges, past payments, and even set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. And to manage your devices, go to devices. There you can see all devices on your account, upgrade phones, headlines, or troubleshoot any issues. For alerts and notifications, tap on notifications. You can see real-time updates for billing, data usage, or network issues. The app also allows you to shop for plans or accessories under shop. And if you need help, tap support to contact Verizon or access helpful guides. And finally, you can set up your Face or Touch ID for quick and secure access next time. And pretty much that's it. That's how you use it. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.